Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel Coding Environment. This video is a continuation of the last video where I try to show what is Vim editor, what are the basic commands in the Vim editor like copy, paste, delete multiple lines, copy multiple lines, and what are the different modes in the Vim editor like insert mode, command mode and visual mode. This video will be the continuation of the last video, and in this video we are trying to cover the Vim Advanced topics. The topics in this video I'm going to cover are undo the last action, like if you want to revert back what you have done just recently before closing that editor, before closing that file. The second topic which I'm going to cover today is how we can go to the first and the last line of the file, how we can search forward and backward direction if you want to search any string, how we can split the file horizontally and vertically, what are the search and replace one string in a file, edit visual blocks, this I will go in detail in later part of the video, and what are the importance of .vim RC file and what all we can set through the Vim RC file. So let's start with the first topic, undo the last action. To show the demo of undo the last action, I have already created one file called reversestring.java. So I'm opening this file. As you can see, this file is a Java program which will reverse the given string. To write anything inside this file, I have to first go from command mode to insert mode. To go to the insert mode, I pressed I keyword from the keyboard, and now I am in the insert mode. You can see below that it went from the command mode to insert mode. I can copy paste something in this file. So to copy this system.out.println line, I pressed YY and copied just below this line. You can see I just copied this line. Now I saved this file but didn't exited it. I just saved it but didn't exited it. So to undo this operation, which I just added one more line into the system, into this file, I can press U keyword from the keyboard. You can see it got deleted, or it actually undo that operation. Just remember, this undo operation will not work if you save and exit the file. Now to show this demo, I can show you, like I just copied this line and pasted it below. I saved this file with the W and I exited with the file Q. Now if I open the file and press Y, it will not undo the operation. So the undo of the operation using U keyword will work only if you are in the same session. I am just exiting the file. So this has completed the first topic of this tutorial. As we have seen that how we can do an undo operation, now we are moving to the next topic, which is like how we can go to the first and the last line of a file. To show that, I am opening a big file right now. This is the big file where I have more than 403 lines in this file. So how I can go to the first line of this file? To go to the first line of the file, I will press 2 times the G key from the keyboard. You can see I moved to the first line of the file. How I can go to the last line of the file? I have to press Shift and G. You can see it is went to the last line of the file. So to go to the first and the last line of the file, to go to the first line, we have to press 2 times G keyword, and to go to the last line of the file, we have to press Shift G. Moving to the next topic, how we can do a string search operation in forward and backward direction. So let me open the same file again. I'm opening the same file. So here I can see that in this we have a keyword called center_x. Now if I want to search this center_x in the backward direction, I will go to the last line of the file, which I can go by pressing Shift G, which is right now 403. And now I'm trying to search that string from the last line. So I will go into the command line, press colon, underscore, and then the string which I want to search, which is here center underscore X. So I just type that and press enter. So you can see the cursor is now going at the last occurrence of this string. To go to the previous occurrence, we have to press N. It will start searching into the backward direction. It went here, again it went here, again it is going into the backward direction. Now how I can go into the forward direction? So suppose I want to search the same string from the top. So to go to the top of the file, I will press 2 times the G keyword. And now again, in the search mode, we have to just be in the command mode, then press / button, the string which you want to search, which is center underscore X, and then press enter. It is searching the first occurrence of that string in the file, which is at the line number 70. How we can go to the next occurrence? Again, we have to press N. If we have searched something and now we want to go to the previous occurrence, we have to press Shift and N. It will go into the previous occurrence. N is going into the forward occurrence, and Shift N will go into the backward occurrence. Moving to the next topic of the tutorial, which is how we can split the file horizontally and vertically. Now again, I'm going to open the same file. You can see here this file is very big. It is a file of 403 lines, or you can see it is a file of 403 lines, yes. So now suppose I have to edit this file at multiple places in the multiple lines, like I have to edit 100th line, I have to edit first line, I have to edit last line. So multiple times I have to go and backward in the same file. So I have to go, like I can use the arrow button, or I can use the page up or page down button, but still I have to move a lot of backward and forward. So what we can do, when we have to edit a file with a very big length, we can split the file vertically. So how we can split a file into vertically? So to split the file into vertically, you have to be in a command mode first, then colon, and then V split. This V represents the vertical split. So if we run this command, it will split the same file into 2 different windows. So now you can see we can go to any line here, like I want to go to the line number 100. So I can go here and then I can edit this file. Whatever the changes we are doing in this file, it will reflect into this window also. So if you want to see this, I'm going into the last line of this file by pressing Shift G. And then if I am editing, suppose I am editing this file, you can see it is editing here also. I delete this line from here, and same thing get deleted from here too. If I save this file, it will get saved in both the windows. Basically, this represents the same file in 2 different windows, and any changes made in one file will get reflected into the other window also. How we can move between these 2 windows? To move between these 2 windows, we can use Ctrl WW. See, I pressed Ctrl WW and it went to this window. Now I can edit this file. So this is very easy, or you can say this is very convenient to edit a file if I can split the file vertically. Also, there is a way we can split the file horizontally. We can split the file horizontally by using colon and then split. Here we don't have to mention it's a vertical split or a horizontal split. Horizontal split is the by default split. If I give a split, it splitted this window into a horizontal. Basically, all these files currently is representing the same, all this window representing the same file. So these are the different splits provided by the Vim editor. Now, one by one, we can close this. Now moving to the next topic, which is search and replace the one string in a file. How we can do a search and replace it in a file. Right now we have just seen that how we can search a string in a given file. Now suppose I want to change this center underscore x with some different string, or center underscore x I want to change with the center underscore a. How we can do that? To do that, we have to first into the command mode. Here I want to replace center underscore x. So I just copied it and press center underscore x. Now suppose I want to replace this with the center underscore a. So, and then this is global. So what this command will do, this is saying that search this string, this particular center underscore x, then change the string with the center underscore a. Here you can give any string which you want to replace, and then we are giving G. G is the keyword to replace it globally. If I enter this command, all the center underscore a will get changed with the center underscore a. So we can search this, that yes, we have changed all the center underscore x into center underscore a. We have changed all the center underscore x to center underscore a. So this is the way we can substitute, or we can replace a given string with the other string. The other topic in my tutorial today is visual block. Let me open this file. Now I have opened this file, and suppose, so visual block will come into picture when we want to edit a block of the code. To go into the visual block, we have to press Ctrl V. You can see that my mode went from command mode to visual block. Now I have to select this double, so I'm selecting this double. And suppose I want to delete this double So I have to press delete, and you can see only the double content got deleted, not all these lines. The other importance of the visual block is, like, suppose you want to insert some string just before the D in all the files. We have to go and insert manually in all the files if we don't use the visual block. We can use the visual block to insert something in the front of this double keyword. To do that, we have to again go into the visual block, select these lines or select this double, press Shift I, write the word which you want to insert just before this double keyword. Suppose I want to insert x underscore. So x underscore, and then press escape. You can see I just inserted the x underscore in all the places before the double keyword. So this is the classic example of your visual block. This comes handy when you want to edit multiple lines or comment multiple lines in a given programming language. Now just here, suppose if you want to comment this all double lines, again I have to go into the visual block, select these lines, press Shift I, then 2 times this and escape. You can see just I commented all the lines which is started with this particular block. Now moving to the next topic, which is the importance of the Vim RC file. So let me tell you what is Vim RC file. Vim RC file is a file loaded by the Vim editor every time it tries to open a file. Vim RC file don't come default. Vim RC file don't come by default. We have to create at the home location for the particular user. Now you can see I am a root user and I have to create the Vim RC file in my home user. So how I can create it? I have to give command Vim RC file. Vim RC is a hidden file located at the home directory of the given user. You can see right now I am a root user. So I have to create a Vim RC file in my home directory. So I'm creating that Vim RC file here, and here I can give many commands which is supported by the Vim editor, like set new. So to write anything into the file, I have to first go into the insert mode. You can see I went from command mode to insert mode, and right now I am writing in some commands. Set nu. Set nu is a command to set the line number in a given file. So if I write the set nu in this file, and if I open this big file, you can see the line numbers are getting displayed in this file. Previously it was not getting displayed. You can see it by, I went into the Vim RC file, I removed it. So there is nothing in the Vim RC file right now. I saved it, I opened, and now you can see there is no line number displaying in front of each line in this file. Again, I'm going here and giving the command set NU. If I open this file again, you can see the line number is getting displayed here. So set NU is used to set the line numbers in the given file or display the line numbers in the given file. The other command which we can use it here is set HL search. This command is used to highlight the search which we are trying to search. This command is used to highlight the search in a given. The other command we can use in the Vim RC file is set increment search, INCSCARCH, increment search. This command is used to search incrementally. Like, suppose I can show you here, I'm opening the same file again. Now suppose I want to search this synchronized keyword. Now what I can do is I can go into search mode, and then if I'm writing, see, it has started searching. Now the moment I typed SY, it went and searched SY, and it is trying to match with all the keywords here. Like let me see, let me show you how the increment search works. You can see the stopped keyword and the status keyword. In the stopped and status keyword, ST and ST are same. The first two characters are same. So the moment I typed S here, it started searching all the keywords which is started with S. Now the moment I typing ST, it is C. In the step, stopped, everything is ST is common. In all these three words, it started searching with which it is coming at the first time. So step is coming here. Now I can, if I type A, it is going to status. So this is the increment search. It started searching the moment you pressed one single character into the search command. The next command we can use it here is ignore case. Now suppose you want to search something into the file which you don't want case sensitive. So we can set it as a set ignore case. If you set this in the Vim RC file, all the strings which you are trying to search, it will search as a case insensitive. The other command also, there is one command which say set tab stop. This will set the characters for a tab. By default, it can be 8 or 4. So we can set it to the 8 or 4. Like right now, I can set it as a 4. Let me know if you have any comments. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.